Hi everyone, my name is Duncan, and today we're going to explore the Coding for Early Learners STEAM kit. We will look at what's included in the kit and how to set it up. This kit is intended to introduce coding concepts from ages 2 to 12. We can think of coding as a set of instructions or the language we use to communicate with computers. In this kit, we will introduce early learners to this concept by using items that utilize symbols, icons, buttons, and steps that translate into a movement. The kit is available for member public libraries to borrow for up to 3 weeks in order to support in-library programming. Borrowing the kit can also allow you to become familiar with the items before purchasing ones of your own. Let's take a look at what's inside the kit. So the first thing you'll find is a copy of the PLS lending policy. We have our two coding critter boxes, Sky the Unicorn and Blazer the Dragon. And we've also included bags with their play sets. And these will have little mini inventory sheets as well. There's the Brio Play and Go Bumblebee, the Little Coder card game. This is the Snap Circuits Pro set, and there will also be a little inventory sheet in there. We have batteries for the Snap Circuits. And last is the Turing Tumble set, and this will also include an inventory sheet. Let's take a look at how to set up the different items. The Brio Code and Go Bumblebee is a great option for very early learners. On the back, there are 3 lines of code commands. To make the bee move, we're going to hit one command on each line. And so pressing these commands, the bee is then going to follow those directions. This item is recommended for ages 2 and up. We have 2 different Coding Critters toys, Sky the Unicorn and Blazer the Dragon. They use magical symbols as codes and a magic wand to submit commands to the critter. So you press the commands and then hit the middle button, and our critter will follow. Included with the critters are spellbooks and playsets. Users can follow the instructions in the spellbooks to create a fun, interactive learning experience. The Little Coder card game is a non-tech or analog way to teach coding basics. The rules are simple. One player uses action cards to create paths for other players to follow. The other players then act as robots and follow the code that the first player has written. This is a great game for groups and helps to unplug the coding experience from electronic devices and tech. This game is recommended for ages 4 and up. Snap Circuits can help explain the concepts of coding using a circuit board. Included in the set is an instruction manual with hundreds of fun projects. On the right, I have items from Project 13, the 2-speed fan. Users will snap together the different pieces and create elaborate electronic projects. This item is recommended for ages 8 and up. The Turing Tumble teaches coding through a marble-powered computer design. Inside the box, you will find a number of repositional pieces to create fun projects. Simply take out the Turing Tumble board and insert the pieces to create a code for the marbles to follow. Here is a sample project. This is the most delicate item in the kit and is recommended that it be used with adult supervision. The gaming board is particularly fragile and should not be handled by users alone. The Turing Tumble is recommended for ages 8 and up. Within the kit, there are many small pieces, and we understand that missing pieces and damage can occur during transport. If you notice missing or damaged items, please contact Duncan. and we will see that they are replaced or dealt with. To pack up, please double check that all parts are returned to their boxes. We've included mini inventory sheets for the coding critters, the snap circuits, and the touring tumble. To request the kit, please check the current procedures on the PLS website under Programming Kits. If you'd like to learn more or have ideas for future kits, you can contact me at dlatowski@peacelibrarysystem.ab.ca. Thanks.